In this video, we'll be going over how to get a lot of free training to completely revolutionize your content with Repurpose.io. Now, before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because you'll be getting new feature updates. You'll be getting content marketing strategy from a lot of different expert marketers. And then you'll also be getting ninja tips from me and the team to make sure that you get the most out of Repurpose.io. So when you log into your Repurpose dashboard, again, you can start a free trial and try this out for yourself. I want you, before you start doing workflows and all that things, I want you to actually learn what you can possibly do with this software. There's so many things that Hanny, who's the CEO of Repurpose.io, and his team have put together so that you can create and make this software work for you in your own unique ways. And so there's 7 different resources that we have for you that we put our time and money into so that you can make the most out of this software. So when you log in, simply go past workflows, connections, templates, calendar, affiliate area, and then just click on resources and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options here. So the first resource we'll be talking about is actually our tutorial videos, and Roy did an amazing job where it's an actual interactive training. So if you've never used Repurpose before, you can actually click on what you want to do. You can auto-publish short-form videos, you can download or back up your videos without the watermark, you can create clips from existing content, or you can just take an entire tour of Repurpose.io with Roy. And so he does an awesome job leading you through everything click by click over the shoulder. And this is probably the first place you should go if you're wanting to learn all these new techniques and strategies, because there's so much I feel like you probably don't know that you can do until you go through it together, and Roy's an awesome option. The second resource that we have for you is our Help Center, where there's a lot of different frequently asked questions, articles, a lot of how-to step-by-step, and this is mostly from our support team for all the different questions that we get. And so any question that you have with Repurpose, you can literally go to search our Help Center and type in what you need help with, and you will be able to look at all the different articles and features we have. Just so you know, there are a lot of different things that we have in different categories. We have templates, connections, workflows, resources, live trainings, frequently asked questions, release notes, and so all this is accessible within the Help Center. So our third resource that we have for you is actually our support team. They should be your go-to if you have questions with tech-related issues or something that you're struggling with. And there's 2 different ways that you can reach this type of support. Obviously, when you go into the resource tab on the left, you can do contact support, or there's a button that looks kind of like a chat bubble on the bottom right, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And this is a really great option because they can actually look into your account and see what's going on if there are any issues. And we are always more than willing to get back to you and help you with your strategies. Our fourth amazing resource, we've gotten so many compliments from this, is our Repurpose.io onboarding training with Hanny. Again, you get to know our CEO a little bit, but he is passionate about what we do here, and he will break down all the different things that you can do so that you have more of an understanding. And so we get comments all the time about how good this training is and that it's really helped them understand all the different possibilities with Repurpose.io. So you're going to want to check that out right when you get started so that you're making the most out of everything you do. The fifth option is the content repurposing and distribution mini course, and Hanny put this together for those who really want to see a visual and text as well of what we can all do here. So it goes into repurposing and distribution, content styles. There's chapters for every single thing if you want to just skip right to the chapters for what you're here for, whether that's long form, short form, or podcasts. You can kind of talk with us about strategy. And so he goes really deep into all the different things that you can do, and it's really amazing if you take the time to go through this together, because we literally want to see you succeed with this. Number 6 is our Repurpose.io video cheat sheet. This is a very quick and easy way to see all the different video styles for different platforms and some of the video durations. And so that way, because it is kind of confusing with all the different social media platforms out there right now, and so you want to take a look at this and kind of get it quickly and all the information updated so that you are not making any mistakes when repurposing your content. And last but not least, we put together this awesome guide in ebook format it's the content repurposing guide and roadmap. And with this, we give you guys a special bonus as well if you're just starting for free. So I'll leave that link in the bio below. You can just put in your email, claim your free copy, and you can go through the ebook together while you're starting your journey with us here at repurpose.io. So this would be my ultimate best bet for if you're just starting, you're wanting to learn how to go through, make sure all your connections and workflows are ready to go. It sounds complicated, but whenever you have the step-by-step in this ebook, it really is not that hard. So there you have it. There's 7 free training resources that we give you so that you can get the most out of repurpose.io. And again, a lot of people when they first join are a little bit confused, and so that's why we went above and beyond to make sure that we're giving you all the different things that you need, that necessary to really wrap your head around all that we can do and help you inside of your content